Yo, crazy, man, right? Uh, I need copyright free music, man. If y'all could hook me up with that, I need it. I need it. I need it. Yeah. I guess we got disconnected, but yeah, we took the order at 8:43 for 12 micros got filled, and now yeah, kind of look for high day here. Hopefully. Where'd you go? I got the copyright. I need to get some music. What are those 8 TPT tests? This is trade day, trade day, trade day, 3 trade days, and 5 take profit traders. Big day. Finally got some movement. We're gonna leave these to just run. Look at that pullback, man. It's the same shit. It's massive. It's a massive pullback. It's a massive pullback. Use the music YouTube music library. Yeah. What app is called? TradeSyncer. You can copy trade Evade accounts with TradingView on TradeSyncer. If you guys need some prop firm accounts, you can use code BPC on Take Profit Trader, My Funded Futures. I'm currently using 5 Take Profit Trader accounts. We'll get them past this week. I'm only going to take these trades on stream for these evals. I'm only going to trade them on stream. Only going to trade them on stream. Dust till dawn. Conditions are right for a good time. I need a good time. Why don't you just stream on Discord? I don't know. Because I'm trying to grow on YouTube and get y'all to use my affiliate link so I can get rich. Duh. Yeah, YouTube's like that, huh, man? Horrible. They all trade evade. Are they all trade evade accounts from prop firms? Wait, what? What's the question? Are they all trade evade? Prop firms usually are trade evade accounts. Yeah. I was trying to stream on Kick and do like multi-stream. I even bought the thing. I bought multi-stream, which is like a thing that allows you to do that, and it's like not fucking working. I don't know why. Pretty lame. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just chill, man, and let this thing go to high day and kind of just chill out and let them runners run. So, what do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about how we added into the trade? Do y'all think? What do y'all think about that? Give me your opinions there. So what we did, let's show the executions on this screen. So this is what we did. Ignore this 813, 820. This was, I got caught in the range here. So we bought 10 micros at 810. So this was entry 1. That was entry 1. And yeah, we were looking for 830 break kind of into the 40-50s, kind of like that. Stop. Well, the original stop was down here at like 790. If we break through a lower low. And then look, so we got a strong impulsive candle back up to the high of this range, right? And then a micro pullback, very small red candle. And I add at 822. And on that, I believe we tighten the risk way up to like maybe 800. So at this point, we were in 18 micros for the break through 830. We get the break, and we partial out 12 micros at 844. And now this comes up, and this is just now a break-even trade. And we look for, hopefully high of day. Hopefully 60s, 70s, 860s, 870s. That's the goal here. Guys, I'll be on Top Step TV tomorrow as well. So I won't be, we'll do a later stream, but I'll be on Top Step TV tomorrow. Did you add to a loser? No, I'd never add to, I don't really, I'll average into position. I wouldn't really call that adding to a loser. It wasn't adding to a loser. It was sizing into a breakout trade. I didn't add in whenever I was negative on the position, so I wouldn't call it adding into a loser. Should I long with you? I think it already has played out, man. I think this is really high entry, honestly. It's a nice bounce off 40s. That's really nice. Oops, shit. You recommend growing your account? I do recommend growing your account, yeah. Alrighty. We're just kind of going to be patient, let these suckers go here. Look at that, man. Look at the trades. Look at the trade copier, man. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay. We're up about $1,000 on 8 accounts. Wow. Copy trading. Copy trading. Imagine if you could do that for like a full 5-day week. Wow. That's insane. W copy trading. The power of copy trading. The power. What do you use? It's called Trade Sinker. In a perfect world, this can run through 860s here. But we'll see. How would you trade a single 50K account if it's your only account? I would use no more than like 5 micros. I would honestly use no more than 5 micros. Put size limit on your trades. I think that's a good practice. I will sometimes do it on the minis just so I don't get it, don't go on tilt. But no, I really do like to stay around 15 micros max. You can use Top Step as the leader. Yeah, you can do top. Well, you can't use Trade Syncer with Top Step, man, because Top Step only offers Project X. So there's already a built-in copy trader when you have a Top Step account. They already got you with a built-in copy trader. They don't offer Tradeovate anymore. They don't offer Tradeovate anymore. So you'll be on Project X. Yeah, you can, bro. It's a new feature on Trade Syncer. Oh, yeah, you're okay, yeah. You could do that. I don't really see the point in copy trading across Project X accounts. But you could do that. You could do that. You could do that. Would you ever use 5 minis to pass a combine? I would. I don't think it's the right way to do it, but I would, and I have. I don't think it's the right way to do it. I would, and I have. For this situation, though, these accounts are like 5 days minimum to pass the TPT, 7 days to pass the trade days. I'm taking my time on them. If they were like a day or two to pass, yeah, you'd probably catch me throwing some minis in there. Daddy never was the Cadillac kind. Well, this is the most peaceful and zenful part of trading. Once you've already kind of taken the majority of the trade off, and this is all just risk free, and we're just waiting to see. This is where you want to be every day when you sit down at the computer. You want to be in this situation every day. You've locked in 700. You've got your trade on with a runner with good prospect to the upside. Runners in about $400 of profit. Markets are just under all-time highs. This has really some great upside potential. This is about what you want every single day. This is damn near picture perfect. Can't lose money today. Stops break even. Seeing some nice bullish structure to the upside. Pushing a low resistance triple top on NQ. Bouncing off a demand zone at 700s earlier in the session. Swept the overnight lows. This is just about picture perfect. What do you think? Holds new traders back from becoming profitable. I really think emotions hold most people back. I still struggle with emotions. I would have to go with what I still struggle with, which is emotions. That's probably the right answer. I think all strategies work. I think it's just about being patient, not tilting whenever you take a loss. That's probably the main thing. I still struggle with that, man. I still struggle with that. That's kind of why I like going live. Whenever I'm live, I don't do stupid shit like that. Yo, whoever just used my affiliate code for the MyFunny Futures account, big shout out, man. I wish you Godspeed and much success on your evaluation. I just tilted, lost 5 accounts. How do you handle tilt, bro? You you try to learn from it and try not to do it again. It's not, I mean, I don't know. There's no magic answer for that. There's no magic answer for that. Slap yourself. Say, hey, like, we're not doing this again. We're not doing this again. Maybe find somebody that holds you accountable. That probably help. I have two 50K Express accounts, and in my head, I want to put 15, 20 micro lots on trading the PVI and CPI. What do you think? Bro, you should not put 15 micros on trading the news. It sounds to me like you want to put size on whenever we have a news event and just get an easy win without having to be disciplined and take a trade with patience and discipline. You can take me out, NQ. NQ's trying to take me out. How long have you been in the game until you became profitable? I'd say probably like 6 years. I know that's not what you want to hear. Consistently profitable is a funny. It's like, how do we define that one as well? Because I'll go on streaks where I make no money, then I go on streak. Like at the end of the day, yeah, I'm making, I make pretty good money trading. But to put the word consistency, like consistently with trading, is tricky to do. What's the best futures prop firm? Dude, Tradeify is like they're up there. Top Step's still very solid. My Funded Future's solid. TPT's solid. But Tradeify just like there's not a lot of firms that continue to like release updates that like actually help traders, Like they continue to do things that are making it easier to get payouts. How do you not side with that? Who's the best trader you know? Probably me, man, to be honest with you. That's not even like a cringy cocky thing. I don't. Well, first of all, I don't really know a lot of traders, and then the ones I do, yeah, I feel like me. I know that's a stupid cringy thing to say, but does that mean that I'll go on streaks where I make no money and streaks where I do? Thought that meant I was still unprofitable. You need to look at if you made money on the year, like if you made money on the month. But yeah, you're gonna go on streaks, bro. You'll go on losing streaks. That's just the game. You'll go on losing streaks. You'll go on losing streaks. I've gone on a losing streak. I've been on a losing streak all week on my live account. All week. I haven't had one winning day. All week. Nah, the streaks are going to be there, man. The streaks are going to be there. It's like a tie to the market environment we're in. Depending on what environment we're in, you'll have streaks. Streaks of wins, streaks of losses. Oh, this is just fading down, not finding any buyers. Can we step back in, please? Do I want to add into this? I don't know. I was thinking about maybe adding at 32, but I mean, what is there to lose? I'm up 150 unrealized. I've already locked in the majority of the trade. Kind of double down on the dip, ride it back to 50s, 60s. Add in. I don't see why not. We're up 150. If we get stopped out, it is what it is. It's either lows here or it's just a cooked trade. I'm not really seeing the obviously I'll give it less breathing room, but it is what it is, right? It's just fading. It's just not finding buyers. We've been seeing that. Yeah, this is, look at that wick, 27. Let's try to do this. Yeah, I don't see why not. I don't see why not. I don't see why not. Might get stopped out here. It's hard. It's hard to find like a strong trend to the upside. We keep breaking the highs and then 40-point pullback. Let's see if we get stopped here. We did get stopped. Okay. All right, so we're up 700 on the day. We left a runner that really didn't do much. I was okay to leave that runner to see the high day break, but yeah, we've just been stair-stepping, but man, we continue to see, like, we take the highs and then 30, 40-point pullback. We had that same thing here. Take the highs, 30, 40-point pullback. Take the highs, 30, 40-point pullback. Kind of whack. But happy that we're up, you know. We caught a good trade. Sized into it well. In hindsight, and it's hard to say, maybe don't leave runners and just take the majority, like more of the trade off, and maybe leave a micro or two. But it's impossible to say. It's impossible to say. That looked good to me. Equal highs. Could have ripped higher. Hard to say. I should have done anything different. I like the way I handled that one. So that's a good trade to me. Good trade to me. All right, so we're up 700. Day 2 of the evals. So far so good. I might add some more accounts to this fleet so we can copy trade like maybe more than 8 accounts. Let's like come back. I want to do like 10 or 15 accounts. I need some more prop firms that I use. Alrighty, y'all. I think, are out of here. I think we're out of here. I think we killed it today, and look, now it is bouncing 37. Really wish it could hold its structure a little bit stronger instead of pulling all the way back down to 27. Kind of ugly. All right, y'all. Take it easy, guys. We are out of here. Tomorrow I'll be on Top Step TV. And then I'll have a stream after at like noon at around this time. So it'll be a later stream, but we'll be here. We will be here. Look, man, we added into that. You got stopped out just by a little bit. Now it goes. That's really annoying. Like, really annoying. Oh, well. All right, so I'm done with these accounts. I'm not going to trade them the rest of the day. We'll come back tomorrow and trade them fresh. Peace, guys. Peace.